Ash, and today I got slime with me. I buy them because I don't really want to buy it for my friend because their one is like sticky, slimy, wetty, and this one is none of them. They are kind of sticky, like a little bit sticky, but you still can play with them. I got the big one. It's like this is the bigger. I still haven't opened it. Some of them I still haven't opened. Let's see. If there's no air bubbles, it means I do not open them. But if there is air bubbles like this type, then I open them. This one I opened already. This one not yet. This one not yet. This one, yes, I opened already. This one I don't. Yes, I opened. This one I don't open yet. This one I don't open yet. This one I open already. This one I open already. This one is open already. So I got the colors from those. I buy them. There's no when I go down. They were really selling a lot. Like a lot. Like a lot. I don't know how many. I just have a lot. It's really weird. So I'm going to show you all of them. I'm going to show you by row. I'll show you the boxes and I'll show you the smallest because some of this is locked. I'm going to put them together now and make them like that. So first, I got pink color. So I'm going to open them. It's not that sticky, not that slimy, not that wetty. As you can see, there's no water on my hand. And just right to play. It's like a slime. See? It's not sticky. If you hold it a long time, then it'll become sticky. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hold it a long time. See? No. Maybe that sticky, I don't know why. All of them are the same texture. As you can see, this one have air bubbles in it. It smells terrible. Just ignore the smell. And then, yeah, there is this. And next is the blue one. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna get all the air bubbles out as I can, but if I cannot, then I don't know what's wrong. As you can see, it's the same thing as the pink color that I show you. Stretchable. It's also tearable, just like tear like that. See, just like that. But if you wanna let it stretch, you can do it slowly. You can do it slowly. You cannot hit the bed. If you hit the bed, then gosh, it's so weird looking things. See, it stucks a little bit, but you'll get it soon. You can wash it with any kind of stuff you want. Just stuck them back. Do not make them out because you'll waste your slime. Okay, that's when I open slime. Okay, the green color is still I won't open. There's no air bubbles inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This one is quite sticky. It will make your hand red, that yellow though until I dictate this already. And plus my friends, those that ask me, like ask me if they can borrow it. It's really, really, really slimy. Not that slimy, but it's slime. Duh. And then it's gonna sink like that. And then just stick them wherever and where. And just look over your hands as a stain. Then just stick them back. That. Boom. And it is. And this one too. Eek. This one still haven't opened and I'm too excited to do it. Can you see this out there? Bubbles inside. Sorry about that. Same thing as all the other things, all the other slime did. Put that in back. It's so. Let me show you the yellow one already. I'll show you the purple one. The purple one I opened already. It's so straight. It goes straight so fast. It's the same color except that it's much more darker. I'm not gonna show you like very fast, like I'm not gonna show you slowly, like I'm gonna like that. I'm not, cause I'm wasting my batteries and my battery's only 10%. Oh my gosh. And this one, I'm just gonna squish it for you. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna like squish it for you, so you can see. I'm gonna squish it for you. Kids love this. Just do not give like younger than 3-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old, just like Primary 1, Primary 2, or K1, K2 kids. I don't know if they can learn or whatever. But mostly K1, K2 kids, we like to find out. So, there, as you can see, I'm gonna poke for you, pokey, and then done. Okay, I'm gonna open for you, and I'm gonna squish it around for you just to see if I'm too lazy because I'm not, seriously. Gosh, there are so many and I'm too lazy to do it. Green I still haven't opened, so I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh, it sticks to the green thing. Oh my gosh, can't you see? It's like inside or outside? It's outside. It's much more better you don't play Pokemon Go because they're like horror. I say horror. And you must use internet to walk around. Show the orange. I'm just gonna show you inside the container. Then there's this vanilla thing. Blue is my favorite color, and I'm gonna open the white I don't know how it looks like. It looks so cool. Like just, it's cloudy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like seriously. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If it sticks and ruin your things, then I don't know what to say. Then this line just cannot be. See, it's hoppadoopado. It's hoppadoopado. Oh my gosh, it's dropping. It's dropping. Hasha, it's dropping. Oh my gosh, it's dropping. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to control this. Oh my gosh. It's really dropping. So yeah, this is what I recommend you. Mostly the white is a lot because it's overflown. So that's all it. Hope you guys enjoy and subscribe and like. Don't forget to comment down below what should I do next. Actually, I'm not gonna do whatever you guys say because me, I don't go lots of DIYs and adventures and stuff that I buy. If I want to make a video, then I will make a video. I just don't feel like it. But today I feel like it, and I am excited. So I just make a starting video. So if you're watching this and the people inside my school and you want to try to touch it or stuff, I can let you touch it, but you cannot buy it. Only my friends can buy it, not the mean ones.